Wow, and a hurricane wind. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and see if this thing is strong enough to follow me. Go! And it's tracking.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna go and test this Mavic Air 2 in this Isaias hurricane weather, I would say. It's blowing like gust and I mean just sand everywhere, and you can also see I'm almost get tilt over because the wind is so strong. It's actually blowing at me. And it's really hard to ride on a one wheel, especially when you're going towards the wind. And you guys can see here the Mavic Air 2, the gimbal's pretty decent. I mean the rock solid stabilization you can see here, it's pretty good. So yeah, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what's the weakness of this Mavic Air 2. But I did any firmware update. I'm pretty sure the new firmware update is gonna be better. This one right here is still the same firmware update since a few months ago. So but you guys can see here it's getting better, the active track, and we're just gonna go ahead and see what's the weakness out of it, especially flying in this harsh condition wind. I mean, and you can see here is actually rock solid footage. And yeah, see this part right here. Now you guys can see this is what I'm talking about, because the wind is so strong, and you can see the Mavic Air 2 is like it's more to the side instead of me in the middle. And that's the reason why I want to show you guys how this Mavic Air perform in this strong wind condition. But everything else is good. You guys can see here. I'm just playing around. I think it's actually better when you have the controller with you, because you can do more things. Not just the drone following you from the back, from the side, or from the top. You can do more, you know, be creative the way you want your shot, the way you focus your image here. You guys can see it. Yeah, but so far so good, man. I have no I had no issue flying it. Everything is fine. I mean, I'm just surprised, you know, we only had this for a few months and it's actually getting better and better. And I actually flown the Mavic Pro 2, but you know, that's actually been having it for 2 years, and I used it in hurricane wind, and it got better. And now, but you know, for DJI, they keep working on it. But you guys can see here how it tracks me all the way up. I wish it can go more higher, because I know the Mavic Pro 2 and also the first Air version and the Spark can actually captured me all the way from 400 feet up, you know. But everything else is not bad. I'm not complaining, you know. So yeah, everything's good, man. And you can see how this thing handled. Oh, another DJI that actually flown in a hurricane wind. Yeah, it did a good job. So I'm just surprised how this Mavic Air 2 handled in the harsh condition. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.